Good rainy morning to you, Sunshine friends. Let's go see what our kids in the classroom are doing on this rainy Wednesday morning. Look, this is our 3-year-old class. We're working on some cutting. Can you write your first letter of your name? Oh my goodness, good job. Red room with our 5-year-olds. Doing some painting. Oh, are you painting this? Is that what you're working on? Oh, we're working in the writing center. Good job. Oh, we have a friend reading. You're working on spray. Great job, friends. Right. Oh, are you doing a snowman scavenger hunt? You guys are sewing. This looks so good. Do you remember the name of the artwork you're sewing? Find out. Hello, is the hot chocolate stand open? Oh, wonderful. Could you make me a hot chocolate? And could I have some cookies, please? Audit book. Can you hold it back here? Oh, thank you. Oh, could I get some marshmallows, please? Now we're in our